Hey, Goomba, what to do today?
I'm eating crackers right now.
Oh, okay.
So, what do you want to do?
I'm gonna go to the refrigerator and find something to eat.
Okay.
Because are there crackers?
Yeah, just crackers.
All right, but I'm not really starving right now, so I'm gonna find some. Oh, I know what I want to get. I want to get some ice cream. I wonder what one it is. Is it in this one?
I think it's in this one.
Oh, this one? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah!
The sneaker ice cream. Let's dig into it.
I don't think I want to get some right now, but let's see what's in the refrigerator.
I'm gonna go get another. Oh, okay. Oh, my crackers. Comes with me.
Delicious food. Oh my god! There's hot sauce.
Whoa! Oh my god! There's sour cream.
Whoa!
There's of cream. I don't think we can.
Whoa! I'm getting sucked into the refrigerator. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Oh! Whoa! We're on our cake. Why did it just teleport us to our cake?
Oh no!
That's kind of super.
We were in an invisible portal.
Wait, where are we? Wait. Where are we going up?
I don't know.
Whoa! That was so scary.
Wait a minute.
Why is our table so freaking huge?
I don't know.
And I'm gonna jump onto the ground. No! You lost a life.
What? This is a video game? I don't know.
Whoa! I'm gonna jump to
The table. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it. So, what do we have to do here? So, I'm gonna do a front flip to the other table.
What's up into it? Whoa.
Why did the refrigerator just take us here?
I don't know.
Well,
Wait. Why is the door open?
I don't know, but I'm kind of happy that it took us here because we get to do parkour on the stuff.
I was just going to. Whoa!
I was just going to go close the refrigerator door.
Wait.
Why is our water bowl so huge?
Wait.
I feel skills inside me.
Yeah, me too.
Whoa, I never could do that before. Let me try a backflip. I never could do that before.
We never could do a backflip.
So I think we have so much skills in this video game.
Watch this, I'm gonna do parkour. Feel the closet.
Stupid. Watch this. Whoa.
Whoa! You can jump off walls.
Yeah. What's your ability? I think my ability is. Look, I can't even stand on walls.
Yeah.
How?
Yes.
Let me try.
Yes.
Whoa! I can't do that. Wait.
What's your ability?
Is it to stink?
Oh yeah, it's my ability.
That stinks! Oh!
It will kill whoever smells it.
Whoa! Well, it doesn't kill me because I'm your partner.
Yeah, it doesn't kill the partners.
Yeah. So.
Whoa. Yeah.
Oh no! There's lava. Let me carry you.
Okay.
Because the stove's on, but it doesn't look like it's on.
Who's gonna carry the camera?
Alright, let's see if the camera flies.
I can.
Okay.
I don't really have a drone.
You're heavy, Goomba.
Sorry.
Here.
I'm a piece of poop, so now you stink.
No, you weren't using your ability.
Ooh, crackers. They're so huge.
They don't look huge.
Oh yeah, they're not.
But what we're standing on is so huge.
Yeah.
Let's go see if everyone's still here.
Yeah.
Wait, Goomba, I need to carry you.
Okay.
Let's see if the camera can go on its own.
That's the drone.
You're so huge.
huge? Nope, but you probably came with us.
Yeah, I was hiding in a refrigerator.
Okay. Am I huge? Why are you talking like that? We're talking like our normal selves. Alright, let's just lead them. Go by, you're so, no, Toad, you're so annoying. You get out of here. Yeah. Let's lead them because they're so freaking
My crackers! My crackers!
I can't believe they're still there. I can't believe they're still there, Goomba. I can't live without my. There's no time for eating crackers. We gotta go see who made this house be big, or oh no, my band-aids are falling off. Wait, I'm gonna go get another band-aid. Ow, 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 that hurts. Ow, that, ow, 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 that hurts. That hurts. Ow, 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 that hurts. That hurts. Ow, 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 that hurts. Hurts. Where's Bowser? Hurts. Oh, I don't know. Oh, did I accidentally do something? I'm missing. I got a bigger band-aid. Wait, I think I accidentally did something. Yep, I did. I got a bigger band-aid, Goomba. Whoa! Where did you get that from? I don't know. It's so big! Yes. Let's go see. Well, at least the band-aid's on your eyes isn't big. Who opened that door over there? Where's Bowser? Yeah, let's go see if Bowser's over here. Bowser, are you huge? We shouldn't be on the... We shouldn't be on the ground. Shut up, drone. Okay, I will shut up.
You're filming! I am angry!
Bowser, you never been mad at us before. You're a newcomer.
I'm evil!
You are? Well, you used to be evil in the Mario games. Let's leave Bowser. He's annoying. I think we have to beat him up to leave this place. What's Bowser's ability?
My ability is to kill you both.
What? Whoa! No! Whoa! At least I can walk on walls. Oh, that's cheating. He's mad at you, but he's not mad at me. For sure, I know that for sure. Yo! Oh, did we beat him up? Yeah, he did. Did we beat his butt? I think he did. Matt, don't you dare think of going close to them. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Ouch! Goomba, why do you push me off? Wait, everybody's totally normal now. Hey, Heavy, don't do it. Ugh, that was a deep sleep. Guess what, cool bros? What? I just had a dream about me being evil and beating y'all two up. That was so sad. That actually did happen. Yeah, bro, it did.
What? It did?
Yeah. I don't believe this. I don't want to go back to that, like giant house world ever again. Bro, I just had a dream about the giant house world. I don't believe this because it's a dream. Dreams don't come true. I don't believe this. Well, when I went to look for something in the refrigerator with me, yeah, with Goomba, we both got sucked up in there, and we teleported to the cake, and then it is eating my cracker. Yeah, and we teleported to the cake, and then we went up, and then we teleported all the way to the giant house world. And it turned out to be a video game. Yeah. Bro, I just had a dream about a video game. Oh, nice one. I want it. Dang. So, Bowser, you dreamed of everything what just happened. You're probably in my dream. Hey, Goomba. What? Want to talk for some ice cream?
Oh yeah!
Yeah, let's go get some
Wait,
ice cream.
after my cracker.
I'm going without you then.
Whoa! Breakfast roll.
Yeah.
Well, you never leave me when you're going to get ice cream.
Yeah, but, well, I'm still gonna leave you. Bye.